This is the best family vacation I've ever been on because my mom and my dad can just play and hang out. They don't have to go cook and do all that stuff. They can just hang out with us and we can play frisbee and fish and read and just have family time together.
From work you get all stressed out and it seems like as soon as you get on the river that just kind of goes downriver. It's just a really pleasant way to spend a few days.
This is really very simple. It's life on the river, and it's quiet and it's peaceful and it's exciting and exhilarating, but you're doing that as a family, and there's not very many times in our family life the four of us just hang together without distraction, and that's the beauty of being on the river. It's a family vacation. It's the best family vacation we have done.